Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a really exciting quick video because not too long ago, my friend Domenica, she opened up I don't think she opened it up. She actually had her RedBubble shop, but she just updated some images there. But she told me she did that, and I was like, oh my gosh, who did you put up? And it was her drawing of her two characters, Luna and Tayo, who is like the ultimate couple that she has. And I'm like, you know what, I'm going to be there. I'm going to be spending all my money on the merchandise that is available in RedBubble. And she was like, okay, and I did it. I bought me a notebook, and she was shook to the gods. And it finally came, and I'm excited, very much so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open because I'm like ready to see what this looks like. So, where's the opening? Okay, it's right here. I haven't ordered anything from RedBubble in a long time, so I'm still a little bit confused about their packaging. Alrighty, I see Tayo's horns. I see it. Alright, I'm gonna flip it over this way so I won't get ruined by the greatness. Alright, so here it is, and a 1, and a 2, and I like the plastic, and a 3. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh god. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. I must get them out. Okay. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies. And I promise you guys, it's just my lighting. But Tayo, his skin color is black, but it looks blacker like this. But I promise you, you can actually see his colors a lot better once you put it in sunlight. Yeah, you can see it a lot better in sunlight, as you can see. So the colors are good. But oh my gosh, this turned out so freaking cute, and I'm excited. I'm kind of like, I don't want to use it because it's too beautiful to use. Too beautiful. And their notebooks are actually pretty dope. I actually really like them. I actually had one made myself, but I've used it all up. It has my Bakuko drawing on there. I want to redraw this, so just don't look at it, but just look at Domenica's beautiful art and just look at mine. It's just too much cute over here. Just wanted to make a really quick video showing off the goods, and I will link Domenica's RedBubble down below so you guys can get all the merch that is all these children. And yeah, this is so cool. So cool. And I'm sorry, Tayo, that this lighting makes you look like a blob, but he's a precious man of black. I love him a lot, and Domenica needs to draw more art of him because it's seriously lacking of Tayo in this wonderful world in which we live in. So yes, so again, I will have all of Domenica's links down below, and that's it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as quick as it was, and I will see you in another video. Bye.